Before you begin, remove the access panel, fan duct, front bezel, and rotate the drive cage up. Removal. Disconnect the front I/O power switch assembly cables from their connectors on the system board. Remove the cables from the cable guides on the chassis wall and chassis pan. Remove the Torx 15 screw, securing the I/O power switch assembly to the front of the chassis. From the inside of the chassis, push the front I/O power switch assembly out and rotate it away from the chassis. Grasp the front I/O power switch assembly, remove it, sliding the cables through the cutouts in the chassis. Replacement. Guide the front I/O power switch assembly cables through the cutout in the front of the chassis. At an angle, insert the front I/O power switch assembly tab on the left of the front of the chassis and rotate the assembly against the chassis. Replace the Torx T15 screw, securing the front I/O power switch assembly to the front of the chassis. Replace the cables into the cable guides on the chassis wall and chassis pan. Reconnect the front I/O power switch assembly cables into their connectors on the system board.